Hey queens, welcome back to a brand new video. I have missed all my queens so much. So as you can see, I have had these box braids in for about a month and a half now, and I am ready to take these down. So I decided to make a video out of it and show all my queens a few ways to take out your box braids. So just sit back and keep on watching.
You want it, she want it, and I'ma give it to her. Performing until the morning, got you falling. I don't care when.
So as you can tell, I've already removed most of my braids, which took a long 2.5 hours. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is cut off the ends of my braids. Be sure not to cut off your hair, queens, okay? I've done it once, don't wanna do it again. And from there, I'm just gonna begin unbraiding. So y'all thought I was exaggerating when I said I was ready to take these braids out. Look at this buildup, queens. I need to be arrested right now. Oh my gosh. So to remove the buildup, I'm first gonna take a wide tooth comb and comb through real quick. And then I'm gonna take my wet brush and brush each section of my hair from the ends to the roots. This is also going to remove any shed hair that you have that shed along the period of time that you've had these braids in, okay? Another way I like to unbraid my hair is using a rat tail comb. In my opinion, this speeds things up quite a bit. Okay, sometimes, unless you get tangles. I then unbraid with the comb about halfway up, then continue unbraiding with my hands. I'm going to section off my hair and gently brush through to ensure there are no more tangles and to release all that shed hair from the buildup before wetting it. And I'm also going to twist my hair back up to get ready for the shampooing process in sections. Note that it is very normal to have shed hair after a protective style, okay, queens? Because one time I started crying like, oh my gosh, why'd I put these braids in? What the heck? Queens, it's okay. Your hair has been sitting in this style for about 4 weeks or so, if you've had them in longer, and you are not releasing the shed hair through manipulation, so you are going to get that shed hair, okay, queens? Do not forget to check out the description box below to find out how you can enter into my giveaway. That was turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much again for the support, and I cannot wait to see my beautiful queens next Wednesday for a brand new video. Bye, queens.